Today, we will explore the fundamentals of industrial belts. If you're curious about how these essential components function, stay tuned. This is Industrial Belts 101, everything you need to know. To begin, what exactly is an industrial belt? In simple terms, it's a looped strip of flexible material used to link two or more rotating shafts mechanically, primarily for power transmission. There are various types of industrial belts, but we'll focus on the most common ones: V-belts and timing belts. Let's start with V-belts. Named for their V-shaped cross-sections, these belts are used where high friction and minimal slippage are required. They are ideal for transmitting higher torque at lower speeds. You'll find them in automotive engines, HVAC units, and industrial machinery. Next, we have timing belts. These belts have teeth that fit into matching grooves on the pulleys, ensuring no slippage. Timing belts are crucial in applications where precise timing is essential, such as in internal combustion engines and robotics. Their construction involves a flexible rubber or polymer base with embedded fibers for added strength. In an engine, the timing belt synchronizes the rotation of the crankshaft and camshaft. This synchronization ensures that the engine's valves open and close at the correct times during each cylinder's intake and exhaust strokes. Without a properly functioning timing belt, the engine's performance can be severely compromised. A worn or broken timing belt can lead to engine damage, making regular inspection and maintenance vital. Ensure the belt is properly tensioned and free from cracks or fraying. Always follow the manufacturer's guidelines for maintenance and replacement intervals. In summary, industrial belts are fundamental components in many mechanical systems. They come in various types, each suited to specific applications and operating conditions. Proper material selection and maintenance are crucial for optimal performance. We hope this guide has provided valuable insights into the world of industrial belts. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and happy engineering.